ayun po guys, no. Andito tayo ngayon sa church. What is the name of this church, brother?
Bodhbe Monastery.
Bodhbe Monastery. Bodhbe Monastery. At magandang views, napakagandang
Bro.
So this is it. So ang ganda dito. Grabe. Yan. Bodhbe Monastery. Bodhbe Monastery. See. This is Mr. Noel Salvador Preyas. He's from the Philippines, representing from Pangasinan. We just wait there. As you can see there, see.
Group picture, yeah. There. Bro. Come on, guys.
There's a lot of beautiful places there. This is the monastery and the church.
Hey. Oh, that's called temple.
See all the mountain there.
Oh, when are you forget what is Teiki? Madhugopa. Bro, come, we'll take a video. Just one.
So ayun po guys, continue our videos para sa ano na to, sa vlog na to. Ang ganda dito. See you on my next video.